Hi, I'm Jonathan Mitchell with the award-winning Richmond Ford. Now, what do you get when you cross the most popular new SUV with the off-road prowess that the Raptor nameplate is known for? You get this, an absolute beast and quite possibly the most off-road capable vehicle ever made from an auto manufacturer to come directly from the factory. This is the Bronco Raptor. Now, that gives you 37-inch tires and the same Fox reservoir shocks found in the F-150 Raptor, along with a reinforced frame, a wider stance, and advanced underbelly skid plate protection. But that's not all, that's just scratching the surface. What else does the Bronco Raptor have in store? Well, let's take a look around this beast and find out.
The Bronco Raptor is an intimidating looking vehicle with many visual cues as to what's lurking underneath. Up front is a Raptor specific hood with functional vent panel to help extract engine compartment heat. The grille is outfitted with Ford block lettering and integrated amber LED marker lamps required by law for such a wide vehicle. There are Raptor specific LED headlamps and amber LED signature lighting. This modular front steel bumper comes with removable end caps and includes rigid LED fog lamps. These wide, Raptor-specific front fenders are fitted with functional heat extractors and look like the gills of a monster. The wheel arch flares are probably the most hated feature of the Bronco Raptor, but they serve the most function to keep rocks and debris from kicking up on your Bronco and to tuck those massive 37-inch wheels underneath. They also include a water, ice, and mud-resistant coating and integrated front and rear mud flaps. Around the rear are Raptor-specific LED tail lamps and heavy-duty spare tire carrier with that massive 37-inch spare. And you can only get the Raptor in a hardtop in the 4-door configuration. However, this is what you want to take your family and friends on a ride they'll never forget. The upgraded high-strength steel frame features Raptor-specific shock towers designed for enhanced wheel travel, and Raptor-specific suspension with increased ride height. Heavy-duty control arms and coilover shocks are outfitted at all 4 corners. The Raptor Haas 4.0 suspension features Fox 3.1 shocks with live valve technology, the same as used on the F-150 Raptor. The Raptor obviously has a much wider track than all Bronco series, 73.2 inches front and 73.6 inches rear. That's a 6.5 inch and 6.9 inch front and rear increase over a Sasquatch Bronco. The Raptor-specific bash plate package features more plates and more underbody coverage, including increased engine and transmission protection. Furthermore, reinforced body bracing at the B and C pillars to enhance torsional stiffness, and you get external jounce bumpers, front and rear, for going over massive jumps. To stop this heavy off-roader, there are heavy-duty brake system components including larger rotors shared with the F-150 Raptor. Furthering the Raptor's off-road capabilities are electronic locking differentials front and rear with upgraded Dana 50 Advanced Trek rear axle and Dana 44 Advanced Tech front axle with a 470:1 ratio. You also get the famous stabilizer bar disconnect for extreme suspension travel when rock crawling. And there are reinforced rock rail sliders with removable running boards via these outer bolts for improved ground clearance. Powering the Raptor is an upgraded twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter EcoBoost V6 engine with a Ford Performance tune, delivering 418 horsepower and 440 pound-feet of torque. This is paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters. Increasing output is aided by an air induction system to help improve engine cooling and performance. And you get an active dual exhaust system with selectable modes: normal, sport, quiet, and Baja. There are 17-inch wheel designs, including 2 available beadlock capable wheels that are mated to 37-inch BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. When the going gets tough, there are 7 selectable GOAT modes. You have normal, sport, slippery, tow haul, off-road, Baja, and rock crawl. And with My mode, the driver can select and save suspension, steering, and exhaust settings, enabling vehicle performance to be tailored to driver preference. If you're interested in towing, max trailer tow rating increases in the Raptor to 4,500 pounds with tow haul mode standard. The interior of the Bronco Raptor is still functional, but with a racer's flair. The unique 12-inch instrument cluster comes with Raptor-specific graphics and configurable gauges. There is a Raptor-specific leather-wrapped steering wheel with code orange contrast stitching and center marker, thumb pads, and paddle shifters just like in the F-150 counterpart. And these extremely comfortable Ford Performance Design front seats are outfitted with aggressive side bolsters to keep you in place under high-speed performance driving, and are available with either a marine-grade vinyl surface or leather trim surfaces with neo-suede accents. An added flair are the safety belts, available in Raptor-specific code orange color. There are overhead auxiliary switches to add powered accessories, and here are your rubberized, easy-to-reach selections for manual off-road component selections, including the trail turn assist to lock the rear wheel and increase turning radius. This Raptor is outfitted with the optional carbon fiber package that replaces plastic elements like the grab handle, dash handles, and steering wheel with carbon fiber trim. The High package is standard, and the Luxe package is available to add goodies to kit your Raptor with all of the top safety features and luxuries offered in the other Bronco trims.
Now, as a dealership, we're not going to sugarcoat it. Actually getting behind the wheel of one of these is going to be rather difficult. Those first allocations went to reservation holders that didn't already have a build. However, all of this waited time may deter some of those owners from actually taking delivery, or they may decide to trade it in and cash in on that. So please don't lose hope. One of these may actually end up in our inventory, but not this one. This one's already sold. But if you want to get in on the ground floor, please reach out to our team and get your name on the list for when the order banks open up for our next round of allocations. And of course, when you buy with us, you're going to get our exclusive 100,000 mile warranty backed by our 5-star customer service, because we are driven by you. Please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think of the Raptor down in the comments. Thanks for watching.